So this is my data right now. And this is that same data after talking to AI for literally 2 minutes. Because if there's one thing AI is incredible at, is analyzing loads and loads of data and then breaking that data down into beautiful presentations and text with incredible visuals that is super simple for anyone to understand and to present. So whether you're like a solo e-commerce founder or an experienced data analyst working at a multi-million-dollar company, basically as long as you need to analyze any sort of data, this is going to be extremely valuable for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in the most basic but still optimized way, and then I'm going to tell you how you can take it to the next level and 10 times the results by using a multi-agent system and workflow in Claude Code. So if you want to, you can follow along this video. Before this example, I'm going to use Google Analytics data from one of my clients and basically break it all down. But you can very easily use Facebook ads data or any other data of your choice, because in Google Analytics you can review the most basic level of data, but if you actually want to review all of your data in detail, you actually need to export it and use a different platform. The Explore page in Google Analytics is super powerful. I just created a blank sheet and I added the dimensions and metrics of my choice, in this case date, session source and medium, session default, channel group, landing page, and query string. Then for metrics we have sessions, transactions, total revenue, new users, add to carts, and checkouts. And this is for the month of January. Then I just went and exported this data into a CSV file, and this is what you will get: a massive data file, in this case over 70,000 rows of raw data. So as you can tell, it's pretty much impossible for a human to review all of this himself, but that's what we have AI for. So what I would recommend you to do is use Claude Opus 4.6, which currently is their most powerful model. Create a new project called Data Analyst or whatever. So in here you can keep all of your data and any chats related to data analysis. And as you may know, prompting is extremely important to get the results you are looking for. But the good thing is that you can actually use AI to create an AI prompt for the AI. So in this case, all I said was I need to analyze a large CSV file of data for an e-com client of mine. I want you to act like an expert data analyst with 10+ years of experience with creating real impact and find the key improvement areas from raw data. Please make me an optimized prompt for this task that gives you the best backstory and experience to execute this task to the best level. It then went ahead and gave me this long prompt. You're a senior e-commerce data analyst and strategic consultant with 10+ years of experience working across DTC brands, marketplaces, and omni-channel retailers ranging from $1 million to $500 million plus in annual revenue. It goes on to say your core expertise includes, it says your approach is this. For this task, I'm going to upload the CSV file, etc, etc. Be direct, opinionated, and specific. I don't want generic advice. I want findings that could only come from this data. I then went ahead and copied this entire prompt, went back into my project and just opened a new chat. I then just uploaded the CSV file that we downloaded from Google Analytics. I pasted the entire prompt and I ended the prompt by just saying, please present it in a beautiful HTML with a lot of visuals and graphs that would make it easy for anyone to understand. And this is what it came up with. So January 2026 analytics, you have a brief summary, you have the period, which is the month of January, 71,000 rows of data. You have total revenue, sessions, transactions, conversion rate, average order value, and revenue per session. Then the first thing it talks about is the conversion funnel. The biggest single issue is 80.9% of shoppers who add to cart never start checkout. That's 14,000 abandoned carts in 1 month. It says the drop off between sessions to add to carts to checkouts, and then to transactions. Now, as you can see, the layout here could have been a bit better, but this is the very first draft that AI gave me, and it took me like 2 minutes. I just had to wait 10-15 minutes for the AI to actually make it. Now imagine if you spent a few hours going back and forth with AI to actually customize it to your own liking and improving it. It could be so good. But for now, let me just show you the rest of this first draft. It then shows daily revenue and conversion trends, and since it's HTML, it's interactive, so you can hover over any single day and see the sessions and revenue. You then have daily conversion rate. Again, you can hover over it to see the specific conversion rate for the specific day. You have performance by day of the week. You have channel performance. Paid social drives 24.8% of traffic, but only 13.6% of revenue. Meanwhile, email drives 6.3% of traffic, but 9.2% of revenue, the most efficient channel by far. So this is really, really good information to have. You then have a channel deep dive. You have revenue session by channel, conversion rate by channel. You have top 10 sources by revenue. You have paid social showdown. So TikTok generates 38% of paid social sessions, but only 16% of paid social revenue. So that is also good to know. Then it goes into detail on the specific product that we're doing well. So in this case, since it's January, this Valentine's product is a breakout star at 3.71% conversion rate and $5,800 in revenue from a single product. And this is way better than the average. And then it goes on to say prioritized findings and actions. And this is ranked by estimated monthly revenue impact. Each finding connects a root cause to a specific action. So the first one is cart abandonment is catastrophic. 80.9% of add to carts never start checkout. And the main action here is to audit the cart page immediately, implement cart abandonment email flows via Klaviyo, test guest checkout, shipping cost transparency, and trust badges. Consider exit and 10 offers. This is the single highest ROI fix available. So this is actually a really good action. You then have the fact that TikTok paid is burning cash, only 0.4% conversion rate and 80 transaction days. The action here is to slash TikTok spend by 50 to 70% immediately and reallocate that to Google, CPC, or Klaviyo driven campaigns. You then have the fact that organic search has a checkout leak with 43% checkout completion rate. You then have email is massively underinvested, highest efficiency, lowest volume. So increase the email frequency by 1 to 2 cents per week, build out browse abandonment and cart abandonment flows, launch referral program, etc., etc. Try to grow the email sessions from 6.3 to 10% of traffic within 60 days. Then it goes on to talk about our star product, because this was obviously January and Valentine's was coming up in like 2 weeks. Obviously Valentine's is over now that I'm actually recording this video, but if I actually were to review this data on January 31st, which would have made more sense, I would have known that it was 2 weeks until Valentine's. I saw that this Valentine's product was doing extremely well. This Valentine's product generated $5,800 of revenue from 1,700 sessions, a 3.7% conversion rate and 19% add to cart rate, and this is 2.5x the site average, which is great. So basically, if I had this data with 2 weeks leading up to Valentine's, I would know that, okay, I should probably double down on this product for the next week or the next 10 days leading up to Valentine's. You then have more data, you have top 5 strategic moves, which is fix the cart, reallocate paid social, ride the Valentine's product momentum, scale email from 6 to 10% of traffic, and redesign collection pages to close the conversion gap. And then at the end, it goes on to tell us what this data cannot tell us, which is no cost data, no device segmentation. And this is also good to know because these are things you can then add in the next report to get even better data. So as a first draft, I think this is extremely impressive. And this was obviously just in the normal Claude Opus chat. I very easily created a prompt using AI. It took me 2 minutes and it created this beautiful presentation with very valuable insights. And hopefully this showcases the value of using AI for data analysis. But now this is like the most basic level data analysis you can do with AI. Now to take it to the next level, what you can do is actually spend a couple hours learning Claude Code. If you don't already know it, you can then create a multi-agent workflow where you, for example, have 50 AI agent experts in 50 different specific niches. You can have one AI agent that's like an expert in one specific thing, another agent that's an expert in a different thing, and have 50 of these agents all working together in a massive workflow. They all communicate together to create the best possible data analysis and presentation. To take that to the next level, you can connect that to, for example, N8N and have it automatically extract your data every week or every month and give you this full analysis automatically. Honestly, there are so many cool ways of using this and taking it to the next level. If you were at all impressed by this presentation, imagine this just 10 times better. And that's not exaggerating. It can actually get so much better. Now, if you would like an updated video showing you exactly how to make a more advanced AI workflow for data analysis, do let me know down below in the comments. And if you've never used Claude Code before, we did very recently launch our school community where we have a full beginners Claude Code course, show you all the tips and tricks, how to create your first multi-agent workflows and systems. We will also every single week be adding new mini courses and guides and tutorials on any new AI tools and features that gets released. We'll be doing calls and Q&As in there, trying to just create the best and most valuable AI education community. And since we just launched it, we are doing a massive discount for the first members that join, so I highly recommend you to check that out down below in the description. If you found any value in this video and you want to see more videos just like it, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to our channel. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.